It's Senora Huey, and it's time for Spanish class A. Now, we're going to have a little short session tonight, okay? Just a little bit review, and we're going to start full-fledged with our Spanish. Maybe next week will be on Zoom, and I'll get to see what you look like. Okay, muy bien. But right now, we're going to start off with our little warm-up. All right, buenos dias, buenas tardes, and buenas noches. Let's try it. Buenos días, ¿cómo estás? ¿Cómo estás? Muy bien, gracias. Y usted, y usted. Now that was for good morning. Now let's try for good afternoon. Buenas tardes. Let's try it. Buenas tardes. ¿Cómo estás? ¿Cómo estás? Muy bien, gracias. Y usted, y usted. All right, and the last one was a good night, sleepy time. Let's try good night or good evening. Clase, buenas noches. Let's go. Buenas noches, ¿cómo estás? ¿Cómo estás? Muy bien, gracias. Y usted, y usted. Ole, that was good, class. You remember. Now, let me welcome you back first, okay? And that word for welcome you had last week, I gave it in my little notice. Clase, bienvenidos. Repeat that for me. All right, one more time, clase. Bienvenidos, which means, of course, what? Welcome. Try it again. Bienvenidos. Welcome. All right, we welcome back. Okay, good. Now a little quick conversation. See what you remember from last year. Are you ready? Okay, let's see what you know. All right, here we go. The first thing you just learned was what? Hello is what? Hola. Okay. Then you're going to ask me that. Well, let's say, what is your name? ¿Cómo te llamas? Let's put that together. ¿Cómo te llamas? Accent O here. ¿Cómo te llamas? Now remember the upside down question marks indicate that you're going to raise your voice because you're asking a question. Entonces repito, ¿Cómo te llamas? ¿Cómo te llamas? What's your name? ¿Cómo te llamas? And you're going to say, my name is, then you say your name. You will say two words, me llamo. Then when you have the dots here, you put your name. You got it? Try it again. Me llamo Senora Huey. Me llamo Senora Huey. Try it again. Hola. ¿Cómo te llamas? Me llamo, and then say your name here. All right, got that part? Yeah, here's part two. It's just so you know this stuff here. Now I'm asked how you're doing. You're gonna be either fine, or you're gonna be well, or so, or you're not gonna be so good. And then you're gonna say goodbye. Let's try it. Quick, short conversation. How are you? Clase repito. ¿Cómo? Accent again. Clase. ¿Cómo estás? ¿Cómo estás? Repita. ¿Cómo estás? Muy bien. Now you're doing well. Clase bien. Doing fine. Doing well. Bien. Comprende? Clase bien. Now you're going to be so. Let's go so. Do your hand like this. So clase así. I'm okay. Así. But you're not doing so good. You ate too much. You're not so good. Clase mal. Not doing too good. Mal. And then you're going to just say goodbye. Clase, we know that word's going to be what? Adios. Try it again. The whole conversation from the top. Let's go. Ready? Let's go. Bien, empieza. Hola. ¿Cómo te llamas? Me llamo. All right, ready? ¿Cómo estás? You either say what? I'm well. Bien. I'm so. Así. Or I'm not so good. Mal. And then we're going to say goodbye. Clase. Adios. Excelente. Good for first day back full land. Oh, that's good. Now, class A, let's introduce a little bit of conversation. Now, you know what it is. I'll give you the English first, then I'll show you the Spanish. Class A, hello. And I want you to say, class A, what? At the bottom, right here. What is it? Hola. Good. And I want you to say, how? Let's see. Let's try this. Hola. Then you say what? How are you? Let's try that one. How are you? And you're going to answer, ¿Cómo está usted? ¿Cómo está usted? Good. All right. Then you're going to say, well, I'm fine. You're going to be fine or well, okay? I'm fine. Then you're going to say, class A, I'm fine. And then we're going to say what? I am. This time I added a word in here. I put I am. Before we just said well or fine, bien. I'm going to add estoy. Class A, estoy bien. Estoy bien. I am fine. You tell me personally, I'm fine. Estoy bien. All right? Now you're going to say, class A, well, class A, then we'll say, just say goodbye for right now. Make it short today. Today, class A, adios. Goodbye. You're going to say what? Adios. All right, one more time. Let's try it all together and see what we come up with. All right, first you're going to say, I'm going to show you just the Spanish. Okay, here we go. All right, you're going to say what? Hola. How are you? ¿Cómo está usted? All right, sometimes we say ¿Cómo estás? Or you can say ¿Cómo está usted? Both are the same. How are you? Okay. ¿Cómo estás? Or you say ¿Cómo está usted? Both mean the same thing. All right. Now, then you say, well, you're doing fine, doing well. I am. Estoy bien. Estoy bien. And last one you're going to say is goodbye. Ah, piece of cake. Let's go. Adios. Adios. Muy bien, clase. Now, we have a new season. Okay. A new season has come in on us. And what season is that? Mm-hmm. It's fall now, class A, okay? We went from summer to fall. So we left El Verano, the summer. Now we're going into the fall season, class A, or autumn. Class A, el, which means the, el otoño. El otoño. Okay? What was summer again? El verano. Now we're into what is fall. Class A, el otoño. El otoño. Now, K mes. Now, September is almost gone. A couple more days. By next week, it'll be what? October. So I'm going to go, I'll tell you September is what? Septiembre. Repeat that for me. Septiembre. But I'm going to focus most on next month, October. We're really getting started. Class A, and look at October. It looks like this. I know you can pronounce it already. Class A, repito. Octubre. Octubre. And tongue kind of, octubre. Good. Your tongue's going to roll a little bit. Octubre. October. Octubre. 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 Good. Now, we're going to have a special word for October. And this is a special word for October. You ready for the special word for October? That word is going to be, yes, it's a pumpkin, but I don't listen to the English, okay? So if this is the pumpkin, okay? So you're going to say what? Calabasa. When you go in the store, it goes, oh, Mom, there's a calabasa. Okay? So whenever you see a pumpkin, you say the word what? Calabasa. Wherever you see a pumpkin or anything with pumpkin on it, you're going to say the word calabasa. What's the word for the month of October? Calabasa. Okay. Now that we had that a little lesson today, I know you know this, okay? I want you to know that Jesus loves you, right? That's it. Jesus te ama. Jesus is Jesus, spelled the same way. Te and ama. It says Jesus te ama. Learn that well. Jesus te ama. And know that. Jesus te ama. Now, before I get off screen, I want you to just go over that Padre Nuestro, the first two lines. Our Father, which art in heaven. That's all we're going to do tonight. Our Father, which art in heaven. Let's try it. Padre Nuestro. Say that for me. Padre, then Nuestro. Say it. Padre Nuestro. Say it quickly. Padre Nuestro. And then you're going to say, which, our Father, which art in heaven. Que estás en el cielo. Que estás en el cielo. Those two lines, listen carefully. Padre nuestro, que estás en el cielo. Okay, that's all. Let me say, Padre nuestro, que estás en el cielo. All right, class, you did good. All right, full-fledged class next week. Get ready. All right, now study the videos that I sent you about El Padre Nuestro and be able to say those words for me. All right, because I'll be able to see you and hear you next time. All right, clase, adios. La semana viene, next week.